Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make gluten-free 5-ingredient peanut butter cookies.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 1 cup of peanut butter, creamy or crunchy, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix all of your ingredients together until the dough is smooth. Dip about a tablespoon of the dough onto your cookie sheet about 2 inches apart. Sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top of each of the cookies, and use a fork to press a crisscross pattern into the top of them. Put them in the oven and bake them for 10 minutes. Be sure to disinfect your surface since you used eggs. Remove them from the oven when they've finished baking and let them cool for 10 minutes before removing them from the cookie sheet.
And this tastes really good.
I hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe and leave a comment about the DIYs you would like to see. See you next week. Bye!